Hi friend, welcome to my channel Piping Gurukul, and today's topic is flanges and their types. This video is very important for new learner and piping engineers guy who want to understand the types of flanges and their uses. So please watch the video till end and like, share and subscribe my channel and also give the comments. So let's start. First, what is flange? So a flange is a method of connecting pipes, valves, pumps and other equipment to form a piping system. Flanges are usually welded or screwed. A flange is a protruded lip or rim, either external or internal, that serves to increase strength. The term flange is also used for a kind of tool used to form flange. So let's start the types of flanges. First, threaded flange. You can see in the picture there is thread portion. This is flange. This is pipe is inserting here, and there is male and female threads. Male thread of pipe and female thread of flanges. So this is threaded flange. There is no any welded points. So where is the use of threaded flange? Thread flange use only low temperature and low pressure lines used in a air and water utility services. Next is socket weld flange. Socket weld means inside the flange there will be a socket type shape, socket shape. So the pipe will insert here and there will be welding points, fillet weld. So this socket weld and threaded flange both are mostly used in small bore lines, 1/8 inch, 1 inch, half inch, 3/4 inch. We use these flanges. Threaded flange used only low pressure, temperature and low pressure lines. Next is slip-on flange. Slip-on flange means the pipe will insert inside the flange. There will be a standard gap and from both sides there will be weld. Weld will be this side and also inner side of flange, this side. Slip-on flange. Slip-on flange take less space. Sorry, suitable for low temperature and low pressure application. Slip-on flange can be used in large size, can be used in tank nozzle. Next is lap joint flange. Lap joint flange means this is flanged, this is stub end. This stub end will insert from here into the flange and pipe will connect from here. This is welding points, and just mirror there will be same fittings and gasket will be here. you can see here lap joint flange, stub band, butt welds, radius, this is radius, pipe or fittings, pipe or fittings. So where we use this flange? Flange will be carbon steel. Lap joint flange use where frequent dismantling required. Where frequent dismantling required, we use lap joint flanges. Next, weld neck flange. This is the shape of weld neck of flange, and this is pipe we weld here. This is weld neck flange. Weld neck flange used for high temperature and high pressure application. Weld neck flange will be bulky and costly. Cost will be high. Weld neck flange will be bulky and cost will be high. Okay, we use mostly this flange in our design system, oil and gas refinery. We use very usable weld neck flange. Next is blind flange. This is simple flange, a blind plate. We use this flange where is dead end of pipe. This is one pipe is coming, end of pipe. You can use your weld neck flange. Then this is blind flange. Okay. Next topic related to flange is flange type based on flange facing type. There will be different types of flange faced according to different type of flange which divided the flange. This is flat face. This portion of flange is flat, so this is flat face. This is raised face flange. All the flanges is requirement is different. According to that, we use different type of faced flange, different facing of flanges. Lap joint. Lap joint means here a curve, and you will insert here stub band. This is flange, so this is lap joint. Next, ring type. There will be a ring here. This is cross section. Face of flange will be ring type, and according to mirror there will be one other flange, and between there will be ring gasket. So ring type, ring joint flange. Next, in male and female. This is male part, sorry, this is female, this is male part. This will insert here. So this is the other type of flange, male and female. Next is tongue and groove. You will see here, this is groove here, and this is tongue. This will connect like that. So this is tongue and groove. Okay friend, these are the types of flanges I discussed with you. I hope you understand the topics, and hope you like and share and subscribe my channel. Bell icon, press the bell icon for future notification. Thank you very much.